Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Lutron Caseta is probably one of the most popular smart home devices on the market, and for good reason. It offers a seamless and intuitive way to control your lighting, whether you're at home or away. With its easy installation, reliable performance, and extensive compatibility with other smart home systems, it's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home's ambience and convenience. This review will dive deep into what makes the Lutron Caseta system stand out from the competition and why it might be the perfect addition to your smart home setup. Number 5. Lutron Caseta Original Smart Dimmer Switch. Experience unparalleled connectivity with this smart dimmer. It seamlessly integrates with more leading smart home devices than any other brand, offering you ultimate control. Enjoy full control over your lights with its sleek, modern aesthetic. You can easily turn lights on, off, and adjust brightness with simple button operations. Upgrade your existing bulbs to smart lighting without replacing them. This dimmer can make multiple dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs smart at once. Manage your lighting effortlessly through the free app, voice commands, or directly from the wall. Set schedules or activate scenes with a single button press. Ensure your home is always welcoming by setting lights to adjust automatically with the seasons. Enable smart away to simulate occupancy while you're gone, providing added security. Replacing existing three-way switches is simple with this dimmer. It works with the wireless Pico remote, allowing for easy setup and control. What we like. This dimmer offers unparalleled integration with a vast array of smart home ecosystems. If you're building a comprehensive smart home and want maximum compatibility, this is your choice. It's ideal for those who value extensive connectivity and future-proofing their setup. What people say. These switches are a perfect addition where you want manual push-button-like dimming capabilities. They can act as fast on-off, graduated dimming to specific levels, or in my case, can be highly automated with external home automation platforms. These particular Lutron switches don't require a neutral wire, but if you're going into smart switches, be aware that some models require it. If you have appropriate dimming-capable bulbs, you will immediately be greeted by a super fancy dim-on and slightly slower dim-off function when you press the on or off buttons. Number 4. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit P-BDG PKG2WA. Seamlessly integrate your lights with Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, Google Home, and more. It connects with more smart home devices than any other brand, offering unparalleled compatibility. Use the included remote to wirelessly control up to 10 devices anywhere in your home. It works through walls and offers a 10-year battery life, providing convenience and flexibility. Transform your current lights into smart lighting with a single dimmer switch. This allows you to save money and maintain your preferred bulb styles while enjoying smart home features. Control your lighting and access advanced features like scenes, scheduling, and geofencing from anywhere using the Lutron app. It offers comprehensive control and customization options. This dimmer switch combines a sleek, modern aesthetic with powerful functionality. It allows you to turn lights on and off, and adjust brightness with additional buttons for precise control. Enjoy super fast, ultra-reliable smart lighting that works without Wi-Fi. It ensures your smart home devices operate smoothly without slowing down your internet connection. What we like. This is the ultimate starter kit, providing everything you need to get going immediately. If you're looking for a hassle-free setup with multiple control points right out of the box, this bundle is perfect. It's designed for users who want a quick and easy way to make multiple rooms smart. What people say. These switches are a perfect addition where you want manual push-button-like dimming capabilities. They can act as fast on-off, graduated dimming to specific levels, or in my case, can be highly automated with external home automation platforms. These particular Lutron switches don't require a neutral wire, but if you're going into smart switches, be aware that some models require it. If you have appropriate dimming-capable bulbs, you will immediately be greeted by a super fancy dim-on and slightly slower dim-off function when you press the on or off buttons. This is a luxurious experience out of the box and is one of the reasons I went Lutron. Number 3. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch 10-Pack. Introducing the Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch, the most connected smart light switch on the market. It seamlessly integrates with your favorite smart home devices like Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant. Experience the perfect blend of modern aesthetics and advanced functionality. This smart dimmer switch offers full control over your lights, allowing you to effortlessly adjust brightness with just a touch. Upgrade your existing lighting to smart lighting without replacing bulbs. One dimmer switch can control multiple dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs, saving you money and hassle. Take command of your home's lighting like never before. Control your lights through the intuitive Lutron app, with voice commands, or directly from the wall switch. You can even create custom schedules and scenes. Enjoy peace of mind with intelligent features. Set automatic adjustments for seasonal lighting or use the Smart Away feature to simulate occupancy while you're gone, keeping your home secure and welcoming. Replacing your existing three-way switches is simple with this dimmer. It works seamlessly with the wireless Pico remote, allowing for easy installation and connection to your Caseta system. What we like. If you have multiple rooms or a larger home that needs a consistent smart lighting upgrade, this 10-pack is incredibly efficient. It's perfect for homeowners looking to outfit several areas at once without the individual purchase hassle. Choose this if you need to scale your smart lighting affordably. What people say. These switches are a perfect addition where you want manual push-button-like dimming capabilities. They can act as fast on-off, graduated dimming to specific levels, or in my case, can be highly automated with external home automation platforms. These particular Lutron switches don't require a neutral wire, but if you're going into smart switches, be aware that some models require it. If you have appropriate dimming-capable bulbs, you will immediately be greeted by a super fancy dim-on and slightly slower dim-off function when you press the on or off buttons. Number 2. Lutron Caseta 3-Way Smart Dimmer Light Switch Kit. Upgrade your home lighting with this smart dimmer switch. It allows you to set schedules and scenes, and works with popular voice assistants, even without Wi-Fi. This smart switch offers the widest compatibility with leading smart home devices. Connect it with Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and more for seamless integration. Designed for universal compatibility, it works in any home, regardless of age. No neutral wire is required, making installation simple and versatile. Take full control of your lighting. Create schedules, use voice commands, or adjust settings directly at the switch for ultimate convenience. Easily install this 3-way smart switch in as little as 15 minutes. We provide walkthroughs, videos, and 24/7 technical support to guide you. Experience superior dimming performance for your LED bulbs and fixtures. Its advanced technology ensures smooth and fine-tuned lighting control. What we like. This kit is designed for easy installation, even for those new to smart home tech. If you're looking for a reliable dimmer that performs exceptionally well with LEDs and maintains functionality even if your Wi-Fi is down, this is a strong contender. It's ideal for users who prioritize ease of setup and robust performance. What people say. Lutron dimmers and a Pico switches can be paired together without any further smart home integration. One major strength of the Lutron Caseta dimmer is that it is designed to work without a neutral wire. The Lutron dimmer stays powered even when the light is off in the same way most dumb-lighted switches dimmers do it. It continues to pull a small amount of current through the circuit. The current is small enough that it will not turn on the device, but it is large enough to keep the dimmer operating, providing a subtle green nightlight glow while also responding to wireless commands. Number 1. Lutron Caseta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer Switch. Meet the Lutron Caseta Plug-in Smart Lamp Dimmer, a versatile solution for controlling your floor and table lamps. It's designed to work seamlessly with your existing light setup. You have complete control over your lights. Use the intuitive app, your voice, or a wall control to adjust brightness, set schedules, and create custom lighting scenes. This device is the most connected smart lighting control available. It integrates with leading smart home ecosystems like Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Assistant, offering unparalleled compatibility. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is always welcoming. With Smart Away, it simulates occupancy by randomly turning lights on and off, making it appear as if you're home even when you're not. Easily expand your smart lighting system. This dimmer is part of a wider ecosystem, allowing you to add more smart controls for various applications, both indoors and outdoors. Included is a Pico remote, acting as a wireless light switch. This provides convenient on-off and dimming control from anywhere in the room, offering flexible operation. Transform your existing lamps into smart lighting fixtures. It allows control of multiple plug-in lamps at once, making many fixtures smart, even your existing dimmable LED, incandescent, and halogen bulbs. What we like. For those who want to make their floor and table lamps smart without complex wiring, this plug-in dimmer is the solution. If you're renting or prefer a non-permanent installation, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for adding smart dimming capabilities to any lamp with ease. What people say. Can be controlled with 4 physical buttons on dimmer, connected app, and 5-button remote. Smooth dimming for entire range on LED, incandescent, and halogen. Completely silent, does not hum, buzz, click, or otherwise emit any audible sound. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.